Customizing the fan curve in MSI Afterburner allows you to control how fast your GPU fans spin at different temperatures. This helps balance cooling performance and noise levels based on your preferences. What the fan curve does: the fan curve determines fan speed as a percentage based on the GPU temperature in degrees Celsius. A higher fan speed provides more cooling but generates more noise. A lower fan speed reduces noise but may allow temperatures to rise higher. Steps to edit the fan curve. First, open MSI Afterburner on your desktop. On the main screen, click the gear icon to open the settings window. Once the settings menu appears, select the fan tab at the top. Next, find the option called Enable User-Defined Software, Automatic Fan Control, and check the box next to it. After enabling this setting, a fan curve graph will appear. The horizontal axis shows GPU temperature in degrees Celsius, while the vertical axis shows fan speed as a percentage. To edit the curve, click anywhere on the line to create a new point. You can then click and drag the points to set your preferred fan speeds. A common setup is to keep the fan speed at 0% below 50 degrees Celsius to reduce noise while the system is idle. Then gradually increase fan speed as temperatures rise, reaching 100% fan speed around 75 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Another simple option is to match fan speed closely with temperature. For example, when the GPU reaches 50 degrees Celsius, set the fan speed to 50%. As temperatures increase, raise the fan speed accordingly. This method helps keep the GPU cool without making the fans run faster than necessary. Once you are happy with your fan curve, click Apply on the main MSI Afterburner window to save the changes. Finally, click OK to close the settings menu. Your custom fan curve is now active, and MSI Afterburner will automatically adjust fan speeds based on the settings you created. Limitation: this method works for GPUs that support fan control through MSI Afterburner. Not all graphics cards allow fan speed adjustment below a certain percentage. Some GPUs have a minimum fan speed of around 30%. This setup is best suited for users who want to reduce noise during idle or light use, while ensuring adequate cooling during gaming or heavy workloads.